how you can fix this cannot verify server identity problem. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So first what you'll have to do is open up your settings. Now after you open your settings, just scroll down till you find the mail. After you find mail, open it up, and after you open it up, just go to accounts. Now in accounts, you will see a Gmail option. Open it up, and there you will see delete account option. Tap on delete account and confirm it. And after you delete the account, just go back to the settings and open up your general. And after you find the general, navigate to find transfer or reset iPhone. After you find it, open it up, and there you will get two options. One is to reset, the other is to erase all content and settings. Tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. After you do that, make sure that you type in your password, and after you do that, go back to your settings, and after you're on your settings, just go back to mail again and go to accounts. Now right there you will see the add account option. Tap on add account and tap on Google and just log in into your Google account, and you won't be having the error again. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.